go!
What's up guys, Phil here today with another video, and today I'll be unboxing another hard drive. Yeah, if you guys remember, I made a video where I unboxed a 4TB hard drive, but I didn't buy this because that one is full. I bought this because that one is not working properly. So I'll just talk about that hard drive a bit later on in the video, but right now we're gonna unbox this thing, so let's get into it. So just before we start unboxing this, this is a Western Digital hard drive and I bought it from Incredible Connection. So now that's out of the way, let's unbox this. Okay, so here we have the hard drive, as it says there, 5TB. I'm not sure if the price is visible, 2,100 Rand. So let me just get the knife out and cut it. We got the box. Just keep in mind, one thing that I recommend when you always buy an item is that always keep the receipt. You never know if it's gonna break on you or something. So there you go, 5TB right here. What else do we also have in here? We have the instruction manual. Yeah. Then we got the connector cable. This we're not throwing away, that's important, but everything besides that, that was it. That was the unboxing for this hard drive. It's really nothing much. Yeah, so here we go. So this is my Seagate one, and then this is my previous Western Digital one, and then this is the 5TB hard drive. I mean, it's still pretty crazy to believe that this is 5TB, 5TB, 4TB, 4TB. Yeah. Okay, now that the initial unboxing is finished, I'm just gonna take this and connect it to my laptop and see how much storage there actually is, because it says 5TB, but it's not actually really going to be 5TB. There's always like some storage taken up for like system operations and stuff. So yeah, just waiting for it to connect and read. So this one has got 4.5 TB available out of the 5TB advertised, which is not that bad. So on to why I bought a new hard drive. This right here is a 4TB hard drive, and the thing about this one is that its connector is busted. It is not working anymore and it is not reading properly. So I will demonstrate what I mean. So I've got a screwdriver here. I'm just gonna pop the bottom panel off, just like so. Take it off, and here's the hard drive right here. Now, the problem with this is that this right here, the reader, is not working. So this right here is the reader, the connector that lets you connect your cable to your computer for it to work. But for some reason this one is not working properly. So I'm just going to illustrate it here. So when I connect it, I always have to bend it a little bit for it to start actually running and working. So I'm just going to illustrate that right now by just connecting it to my computer right now. So as you can see there, it's not reading anything, it's not doing anything, but the minute I do something like that, the light starts to light up and my computer is now starting to read it. But the minute it's not in that orientation, it does not work. So this would not really be a huge issue, and wow, I can really feel the weight of the hard drive shifting from the disks spinning. That's besides the point. Now back to what I was previously saying. This would not be a very big problem if it used a normal SATA connector. So just to illustrate, normal hard drives use this interface, SATA. So either you connect the cable here if you're connecting into a PC, like a tower PC, or you get an adapter so it can be put into like external hard drives or hard drive bays. So this hard drive does not use this. It has this proprietary connector, which is very, very annoying. I'm not sure if it's just some Western Digital hard drives that just uses proprietary connector, or if it's all Western Digital hard drives that use this proprietary connector, because now the main problem here is that let's say your hard drive does break or the reader is not working. So the converter, the interface, the thing that you use to connect, which will be like these little things that are in normal external hard drive base, that you could have just gone and bought another one and replaced it, or bought another hard drive enclosure. Originally, I thought that I could have just taken this hard drive out, and I thought it was using the SATA connector or the SATA converter or whatever its proper name is, and take that out and just pop it in here and use it when I have to use it. But now it's using this proprietary thing, and the only way to actually recover your data or make sure this thing works again is to either buy another Western Digital hard drive and swap these out if the drive is not badly damaged, or just buy another Western Digital hard drive or another external hard drive, which I really do not understand. I don't understand the point of that. I don't understand what is the point of this proprietary connector. Why can't you guys just be friendly and just let people just do what they want to do? But this one is it's a weird situation, because like, yes, you can always like have it in a position like that, but I doubt that is going to be good for the actual hard drive, because now you're putting force on the actual connector, and now I'm actually hearing like ticking sounds in the hard drive, like tss, 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 which means this hard drive is probably gonna fail soon, which is unfortunate. As long as I can at least back up what's left there, I'll be satisfied. But yeah, that's the reason I went out and bought another hard drive. Not because the hard drive was full. I wish I could have done that. Like, I filled up 2 4TB hard drives like now. So that was today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Thank you all for sticking till the end, and peace.